Hello everybody, today we will learn how to make my program for finding grade of a student, and that is on the basis of marks achieved by him. So here I will start my Java project. So go on the project explorer, click on new, then click on the project, then click on Java project, then next. After this you can give here project name. So I will give here project name as Proj1, and then you can click on the next, and then again you can click on the finish, and after this open perspective is coming up, you can say no here. Once you have done this, you will get a project folder has appeared on your screen. Now double click on this and you will see one more folder there. That folder is src folder. You need to click on this right mouse button. You need to click right mouse button on this and go to new and click on the class. Once you have clicked on the class, you can give a class name. So because I am making this program for finding grade, so I will give it as a grade. Project name is grade class. I can give it like this. So when I have given grade class, then you can click on the public static void main and then finish on this. And once you have finished, you are seeing on the screen that your class has appeared. Now here I am to make this program for finding grade, so I will have to get marks of a student. So I will declare two variables. The first one is marks, and marks I will directly assign this time 80, 90, and then I will take one more variable, that is grade, and grade I am to find out. I can just put it as blank right now. Now after this I will write here my conditions on the basis of marks achieved. Here I will I will assign grade for the marks achieved. So right now you can leave like this, and then after this you will be applying your condition. So I will write if marks as per CBSE rule, please, marks greater than equal to 33 and greater than equal to is also, because on 33 marks you will get passed, and marks less than 45, marks less than 45. Then here on this I will be assigning grade as D. Grade will be assigned as D. Now in the very next one, if he achieves marks between 45 to 60, say 45 greater than equal to, that was less than, and now here it will be 60. So now if it is, then grade will be C, and then after that again you can test out another condition. That condition is if marks is greater than equal to 60 and marks less than 75, so his grade will be B. So I will assign him grade as B, and then if not this, I will test out one more condition. If his marks greater than equal to 75, then his grade will become A grade. And now if he doesn't fall, his marks doesn't fall in any of the above category, then I will put else, and in the else I will assign grade as F. So he will become fail. So now directly I can print out here system.out.line, and I can write here that your marks are what all his marks you can put here marks, and then again I'll do the same thing. Your grade is, and you can show here grade variable. So like this program gets completed. Then after this you can execute this. So from top to bottom you can see once package name is there, the class name is grade class, then public static void main is there, then you have initialized, declared and initialized, declared two variables, initialized your marks, and then you are applying your condition for each and every set of conditions, and if it falls in that, then that grade will be assigned accordingly, and if it's not, then you will be putting it as a fail, and finally you are displaying what he has achieved. Once it has been done, then you can save it, and now you can execute your program. You can execute your program. And what you got here, you are getting that marks are 90, grade is A. So like this you can make your program, and hopefully it must be quite easy to understand. So thank you very much for seeing this piece.